How to log out Facebook from all devices. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down till you find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Center, and then click on Password and Security. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on where you're logged in. Click on your account and then click on Select Devices to log out. In here, select all the device and then click on Logout option. After you do that, your Facebook account will be logged out from all devices, and this is how to log out Facebook from all devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.